Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. In this video we'll talk about like how to stop the wallpaper changing in your Xiaomi devices, and it's quite simple and easy. You don't have to go through hard instructions. Okay, so as you can see, the lock screen that I'm using right now is changing automatically. I have already turned off the wallpaper carousel, and by that effect it's not taking any change. It's changing by itself after a specific period interval, and I don't want that. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make changes using the ADB shell. And if you don't know, there's a full guide over the cards, and you can also check out the description for this video, and you have to go through that video in particular, and then after come to this instruction. Okay, so after that you have to type ADB devices. This is going to run the daemon service, but make sure you have turned on the USB debugging in your phone. Then after, you're good to go. Okay, so all done. And after this you have to run the command of ADB shell environment, but I would recommend you do not run this inside the shell, because it runs outside the ADB. Okay, not inside the shell. Okay, so if I paste this code, the package which is responsible for this wallpaper lock screen thing is Fashion Gallery. So if I try to uninstall it, you can say it says failure. There's no coming back with the positive response. Okay, so what we can do, we could actually turn it off. We could disable this, and for that you just have to paste this code. Both of the codes are given in the description down below, but you just have to use this disable user code, and that's it. Once it's done, you can see the confirmation, it's disabled for the user. And after that, whatever the wallpaper you like for your lock screen, you can just go apply anywhere you want, and now this time it's going to work for sure. Okay, so let me apply it to the lock screen so that you can see it's working. Okay, so I have applied it on both the sides. I like it as a home screen and for my lock screen. Okay, so as I lock it, you can see yes, there's no changing anymore, and this way you can fix this wallpaper changing issue in your Xiaomi devices. So that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubt, and leave a positive comment if it worked. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.